Welcome back to my channel, guys. For those who are new around here, my name is Shelly Gonzalez. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share, and follow me on all my social media, which would be in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get right into it.
I know you want it, tell me you want it. No, yeah, tell me no. I know you want it, tell me you want it.
Vamos a darle duro a mi cubana, como la fiesta que te fuman en La Habana. Vamos bailando pegado, al ritmo de tu mano, que la fiesta dura hasta mañana.
Yeah, como I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you.
With a blending brush, dip into the color Cola from the James Charles Morphe palette and place it on the exterior of your eyelid, then start blending it towards the center of your lid.
No involucremos el corazón, dejemos el temor de lo que por ahí digan. Mira que el tiempo pasa y pase lo que pase, aquí estamos tú y yo. Noches de aventura.
Place the color Playground from the James Charles Morphe palette in the center of your lid and blend it with the color Cola.
Noches de aventura, las que he soñado yo. Hoy si no es contigo, de aquí no me voy yo. Hoy si no es contigo, de aquí no me voy yo.
Then repeat the same step for your second eye.
Pensar tú me estás causando un fallo mental. Quiero comenzar a ver si olvidarme ayuda.
The next step is to cut your crease with the concealer from CoverGirl.
Pienso que te celo, dice que no, pero por
Repeat the same step for your second eye.
cuerpo yo anhelo. Veo en tus ojos yo lo leo. Mueres por dentro de deseo.
Place the glitter Hello from the James Charles palette on top of your concealer.
En tus ojos yo lo leo. Mueres por dentro de deseo. A mí me pasa igual y no se lo niego. Este aventura.
Repeat this same step for your second eye. Place a blue liquid glitter where your crease ends.
Noches de aventura, las que he soñado yo. Hoy si no es contigo, de aquí no me voy yo. Hoy si no es contigo, de aquí no me voy yo. Me voy
With a brush, add blue glitter on top of the blue liquid glitter.
mi boca, quitar tu vestido y besarte por el ombligo. Hágale como tú quieras, de mil maneras. Que mi
Add silver liquid glitter on top of the color Hello from the James Charles Morphe palette.
En tus ojos yo lo leo. Mueres por dentro de deseo. A mí me pasa igual y no se lo niego. Veo. En tus ojos yo lo leo.
With your finger, add silver glitter on top of the silver liquid glitter. Repeat this same step for your second eye. With a thin brush, add the color Spooky from the James Charles Morphe palette on your waterline. Repeat this same step for your second eye. Add some mascara to your top and bottom lashes. Pop on your fake lashes with the dual glitter. Place the color Ring Light from the James Charles Morphe palette on your eyebrow bone. Place the color ring light from the James Charles Morphe palette on your inner corner. As you can see, this is the final look. Thank you for watching once again. If you guys haven't already, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video, and also click that like button. Thank you so much. Bye.